I am Gautam sir from Focus Academy. Today I lecture complex number. Okay, so you observe the pattern of the complex number. You know everyone complex number. So a number in the form x plus iy. It is the one is the real axis, another is argon axis, argon plane. Okay. Now I explain. So this is complex number. Okay. Complex number. So that means a number of the form z is equal to x plus iy, where x comma y belongs to real number and I is equal to root of -1 is called a complex number. This is the x-axis, real axis, real axis. This is imaginary axis. Okay. So this plane is called argon plane. This plane is called argon plane. Okay. Now conjugate and modulus of a complex number. If z is equal to x plus iy is a complex, so conjugate. So therefore conjugate of z x minus iy. You always changing the sign of iota, x minus iy. This is the conjugate. Okay, our modulus of z under root coefficient of real part square plus coefficient of imaginary part square. Real part square plus coefficient of imaginary part square. That is under root of x square plus y square. So therefore, and conjugate of z always x square plus y square because minus y square is positive. So therefore, conjugate of z is equal to conjugate of z conjugate. No. Modulus of z is equal to conjugate of z is equal to always same x square plus y square. Okay. This is always same. Okay, now अभी इसको नोट करो और प्रैक्टिस जरूरी करना है. ओके, सो इनको प्रैक्टिस करो और नोट करो और आपको फिर आगे अच्छा रहेगा. ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, नेक्स्ट properties of conjugate of a complex number. If z is a complex number, first z conjugate, whole conjugate is also z. Second, z plus z conjugate 2 times of the real of z. at Z minus Z conjugate 2 times of I imaginary Z, and fourth part Z is equal to Z conjugate, so implies Z is purely real. Now Z plus Z conjugate is equal to 0. Z is purely imaginary. Purely imaginary, right? And now 6 Z into Z conjugate, a real Z square, imaginary Z square. Okay? If Z1 and Z2 are complex numbers, then ये सब नोट करो, पॉज करके कर लेना। Z1 plus Z2 whole conjugate, Z1 conjugate into Z2 conjugate. ये जो सिंबल है ये कंजुगेट का सिंबल। नाउ Z1 minus Z2 is equal to Z1 conjugate minus Z2. Z1 Z2 conjugate, Z1 conjugate into Z2. Okay, now Z1 Z2 whole conjugate, Z1 conjugate by Z2 conjugate. If Z2 not equal to 0. P of Z, A0, A1Z, A2Z square, so on, A to the power n, X to the power n, Z to the power n. P Z1 conjugate, A0 conjugate, A1 conjugate, Z1, Z, A2 conjugate, square, n conjugate, P conjugate, Z bar. R of Z, U of Z, Q of Z, where Pz, Qz polynomial. Okay. And Q of Z not equal to 0. R of Z conjugate is equal to P conjugate Q conjugate. Okay, noted. Properties of modulus. Z is a कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर. ये सब आपको जेई के लिए बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट होगा, है ना. ये आप यूज कर सकते हो, जेई के लिए अप्लाई कर सकते हो ये सब फॉर्मूला. जेड is equal to 0 implies z is equal to 0. Absolute z is equal to 0. Modulus. Modulus of z is equal to modulus of z conjugate minus z minus z conjugate. Now minus of z real z less than or equal to z. Modulus of z minus less than or equal to imaginary z less than or equal to modulus of z. ठीक है. Z into z conjugate square. Z into z conjugate square. Z square. Next, if Z1, Z2 are two complex numbers, Z1, Z2 is equal to Z1 into Z2 conjugate okay. Z1 plus Z2 squared Z1 conjugate Z2 Z1 into Z2 conjugate okay. Z1 square Z2 square plus Z1 conjugate Z2 Z1 Z2 conjugate. Otherwise okay. Otherwise Z1 square modulus Z2 square modulus 2 real Z1 Z2 conjugate. Next, Z1 minus Z2 square minus Z1 Z2 conjugate is equal to Z1 square Z2 square minus 2 real Z1 Z2. Okay. And 10 Z1 plus Z2 modulus square Z1 minus Z2 modulus square 2 Z1 square Z2 square. Okay. तो ये आप नोट करो, नेक्स्ट क्लास में और भी कराएंगे, फिर उसके साथ साथ में कुछ क्वेश्चन भी कराएंगे. ओके. अब ये कंप्लेंट नंबर के ऊपर फोकसिंग करो, हम आगे और भी जेई के लिए क्वेश्चन आपको डालते जाएंगे. ओके, बाय एवरीवन, टेक केयर.